Day night, brought to you by Lerner and Rowe.
From the CBS 2 newsroom, I'm Erica Sardin with the ep.155 news update. A violent criminal.
Kids and stuff. I feel like tonight's gonna be like that cuddle buddy weather, but you ain't got no cuddle buddy. So one of the kids that you have, because you're a crazy.
By the Reagans and the Thatchers of an earlier generation.
Yeah, I mean, I agree that the term is often now used as an epithet by people further on the left, and that's not only to kind of smear folks on the center left who they disagree with, but also I think because they genuinely don't see a huge difference between
Did that person run? Did they leave?
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, check out this car is going to be coming up this side of my car and crash into these other cars. Unfortunately, it just catches the beginning of it.
Nowadays, there's really no jackass.
Fucking goddamn stupid fucking idiots! God damn it!
like they're gonna stop. They're gonna stop. Why are you giving me high beams? Why do they have their freaking high beams on? They just like to drive with their high beams. On what planet could you possibly be mad at me? I didn't even honk. You should be apologizing. Crap. Unless they just are one of those idiots that drive with their high beams on.
Does he have scissors outside the window?
I don't know.
Listen to Stop This Plane Now.
What are you
To make
doing?
the most understated Range Rover even more striking.
Doing, you idiot! What?
Weekend for the Brits Weekender, celebrating the biggest Brits moments ever.
Yeah, you're a fucking wanker. So you're a fucking wanker. I'm not a wanker. I'm pushing it. Stop pushing it. You clearly don't know about the highway code there. Fucking go and read it. Go and read it. Go and read it. Fuck off. You fuck off. You fuck off. You fuck off again.
He is running away. He is gonna be in big trouble. Oh wow, dude.
I didn't expect that.
Oh my gosh. He is running away.
He's on a run too.
Oh my.
Dude, I would have straight up called the cops. You know this is everything's about
and he went straight down. He went straight. Oh, that guy is gonna be in big trouble. Big trouble. He left his bumper there.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's insane.
Why would he leave it?
He got nervous. He panicked.
I think he caught